Hi everyone, in this video, I'll teach you how to change Facebook page opening hours. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're going to open the Facebook application. And once you've opened, you got to make sure that the account or the one logged in is the page and not your personal account. Okay, to check that, all you have to do is to tap on the menu icon right below the messenger on the top right part of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this page, which is the menu. And on here, right below the word menu, you will see the profile information. And once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on the profile to head to the page itself. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the profile of your page. Here, all you have to do is scroll down for a little bit and head to the posts section. But the one we're looking for is the about. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this part of your page, the details of your page. And before we continue, let me inform you that there are two ways in doing this. As for the classic page, like you already have the page back then and you've entered the informations needed, but there is also the new page. I'll also teach you how to do that, and the one that we're doing right now is for the new page. Okay, so once you're here in the about, all you have to do is to tap on see your about info. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this screen, and on here you can add information or more information regarding the page. And adding opening hours could be helpful if you have the physical store or physical business. All you have to do is scroll down and look for the basic info section. As you can see, there is an option saying add hours, but before you can access that, you have to add your business address first before adding business hours, so that the people who's following the page will know where you are located. Okay, let's go ahead and add address. We have to just scroll up and look for the contact info. And as you can see, there is an add address here in the contact information. To add address, all you have to do is to tap on add address. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the edit location. And on here, you can add the information or the address so that we can access the add hours. Let's go ahead and add. As you can see, once you've filled up every single box or the information here, all you have to do is to tap on save. Once you've tapped on it, you will be back here on the about settings. All you have to do is to scroll down for a little bit and go back to the basic information section to check if the add hours is now clickable. For the next step, all you have to do is to tap on add hours. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the edit hours section. All you have to do is to tap on the hours. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the update page information. And on here, you can update hours. And as for this tutorial, this is for the opening hours. You can choose whether always open and standard hours. You can choose from each of the two. As for permanently closed or temporarily closed, won't be applicable. For this video, I will just choose standard hours, as for that is the most common. And once you've tapped on standard hours, you can also edit hours. As for the edit hours will pop up. Let's try and tap it. And here you can choose which days your business is open. When you tap on every single day, you will see that you can add additional hours, and if your business has overtime or something like that, you can add it here. And once you're done editing, all you have to do is to tap on done, and the changes will be saved. And it will be saved, and you'll be back here again to the edit hours settings. And just for confirmation, you can now tap on save so that you can make it official. Let's go ahead and tap it. And as for what I've said earlier, I will also teach you when your page is a classic one. It is simple. As for when you have a classic one, you already have added the address. And the only difference is on the classic one, you can easily access the add hours, just like what we've accessed earlier. But if you have a new one, you will still have to add address. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.